Hey guys, thanks for visiting today. As you can see, I have a standard 56 millimeter 3x3 in my hand, and I figured I would make a video about this cube today. Now I know what you're saying. I usually don't film from this angle, but I don't think I had much of an option. This cube right here is claimed to be the biggest working Rubik's Cube in the world, and I know that's not true. I've seen videos of people who make Rubik's Cubes that are like 6 feet by 6 feet by 6 feet, but this was a pretty interesting piece that I bought on Amazon, and the way it went was, man, this thing is gigantic. The way it went was I ordered it. I forgot I ordered it about 3 months later. It came in. I was like, what the hell did my kid click on? What did he order? And I opened this thing up, and I brought it in as kind of a piece to my classroom that I teach in. And I'm going to give you a little information about it really quick before we start turning it. This cube came in this box right here. On the box, it doesn't say it's a Rubik's Cube. It says it's a magic cube. The name of the cube is called Hishu if you're looking to buy it. With you to open the door of intelligence within a donated 7-step recovery cheats. Man, I don't know. It uses comprehensive technology. We'll see about that when I show you how it turns. With you to open the door of intelligence, let me tell you, when you see this thing turn, you're going to notice you need a little more than intelligence to solve this thing. And they do give you some steps on the back of this. I think everyone knows how to solve a cube by now. I can't imagine a 6-year-old playing with this sucker. But I am going to do a scramble for you guys and show you if it's even worth getting this. I've had my kids in my classroom turn it numerous times. They've messed it up several times. You'll notice it does come apart a little bit. If you want to get it put back together, just squeeze right here. But I'm going to scramble it up and do a solve for you just to give you an idea of if you should even buy this thing if you're interested. Now, before we go any further, I'm not sure if you caught me doing this, but if you hold up a regular Rubik's Cube next to it, notice each one of the blocks is the same size as a standard Rubik's Cube. So I think they claim that it's about 18 centimeters wide, but here we go. We're going to get a little scramble going. Turning nice so far, not locking up. Let's try a sexy move on it. Uh-oh, not too sexy. So I think what happens when you try to turn this, these pieces right here start to come undone a little bit. They may catch on each other. It was a little looby when I first got it. I wiped it down a little bit. I do not like how this turns. I think if I was going to, upgrade this a little bit, maybe I would take it apart, sand the pieces down a little bit, make it more flush, because it does get stuck pretty easily. Alright, I think that's a good enough scramble. Let's go for a white cross. Here we go. Kind of turns nice and easy on that mat. We got red and blue. Here's the green right there. Oh, it's already locking up. Alright, where is the orange? Here's the orange right here. Sometimes it's easier to U3 it so it doesn't lock up as bad. Alright, we got our white cross. Let's try for some F2L pairs here. Let's see. Here's a pair right there. There, let's try our normal insert. There we go. Awesome. What about this one right here? Alright, that's going to be this now. Do a standard insert. Alright, looking good so far. Really no issues for a cube this big. There's another pair right there. Actually, you know what, that one? Okay, we'll get that pair first. Be a little smarter if we do it that way. Where was it? It's so big and I lost it. Where is this guy? Yep, here it is. My bad. Not trying to like set the world on fire, breaking a record here, just casually solving it. I think that, yep, there's the last one for F2L. And beautiful. We have the L case on top of this. I actually think I know this OLL. It's really similar to a Y perm, I think. I'm gonna give it my best shot. Nope, I don't know that case. I've completely screwed up. Back to F2L. But I just wanted to make this video to show you guys how this thing turns, see if anyone's interested in getting it. I had a friend request from one of my millions of subscribers, 8 of you, to do a video on this. So I figured I'd make one. I do not. Let's see this. Best case scenario for this is triple sexy move. Let's try it. Oh boy. Maybe that's not the best case for this cube. I don't know. What if I hold it off the table like this? What if I elevated it a little bit? No, we're just not going to do it that way. Hold it out here. Oh man, I couldn't imagine doing it like this normally. Whoa, that sounded bad. Check for some battle damage. Oh, that was tough to turn. See, it's coming apart right there. All you do if it's coming apart is you just kind of squeeze it back together. There you go. It's a good desk piece, but let me tell you, I would not use it as my, I wouldn't even use it for feet, if you know what I'm talking about. Okay, well, so we'll do 2 look OLL here. All right, let's try to get the second look in here. What do we got? Soon, we got a Soon case. Oh, it's so hard to turn and you lose track of what you're doing when this happens. Let's hope I didn't screw it up. I did screw it up. Kind of embarrassing screwing things up that bad like this, you know? It's that hard to turn though. You lose track of what you're doing. Nice little insert here again. So I think you're seeing the issues with this cube. This is not really worth playing around with. Alright, so we have the Soon case again. Alright, finally have an OLL. Now I do know a 1 look PLL, but I'm not feeling too hot about turning this thing, and it does look like I have the dreadful end perm. I'll give it a go just for you guys. it's locking up bad. I think this is going to do it right here. Nope. I screwed something up terribly. Oh, it is so difficult to turn this. I've screwed this up numerous times. Alright, this is a okay. Oh, it is a tough one to turn. There we go. Alright, back to a what do we got? Do we have the same dreadful case again? I hope. I don't think so. No. Sure looks like a J-perm to me. Well, let's give it a go, just for you guys. Look at that. That was really difficult to turn. It does slide pretty good. I don't think it gets that scratched up. Let's try to put a little checkerboard pattern on here so you can compare the colors. And we'll call it a day with old Hishu. Here's the checkerboard pattern right here. Just really standard colors. Give you an idea. Alright guys, thanks for visiting today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I know I did not enjoy making it. Turning this thing is really troublesome, and whenever I see one of my students scramble it up, I just kind of take a big sigh and say, oh, I got to get that thing solved by the end of the day. Not going to look forward to doing this. Have a good one, guys. Let me know what you think of the cube in the comments or the discussion board. See ya.